Today in SERDNA Talks, we're going to talk about Miami pre-construction truth bombs before you buy. I'm pretty sure that all my realtor friends can't believe that I'm making this type of video. When your realtor tells you,
this is the most luxurious and best property in the area, and I highly recommend that you should consider it since it is the last unit in the entire project. And I'm pretty sure you don't want to miss that opportunity. Do you?
well, first, let's forget the word luxurious and best because those are thrown around like confetti in Miami pre-construction scene. So today we're going to reveal the ugly truths that you won't hear from most real estate agents. Let's talk about construction loans. Remember that not all that glitters is gold. Sure, hey, construction loan sounds, let's say, fancy, but here's the twist. Some developers just have an acquisition loan rearranged, not real construction funding. That means that your dream pre-construction property might stay a dirt pile. So don't fall for the groundbreaking shovel show. You should check if they actually secure the funding. And remember, high interest rates might delay the groundbreaking even further. And not all developers are created equal. Some boast a sparkling track record like, let's say, Don Soffer or Hugo Colombo, delivering quality and timeless like clockwork. Others, let's just say, past performance might not predict future results. Do your research. A bad developer can turn your investment into a resale nightmare. Now, let's talk about floor plans because the devil is in the details. And those fancy developers' floor plans might be, let's say, 15% puffier than reality. I highly suggest that you compare apples to apples and always use the architectural plans, the ones filed with the city, instead of checking the developer's marketing magic. A bad floor plan can make even the most luxurious condo feel like a shoebox. Think about the light, think about the view, the flow. That's where the real magic or misery happens. We are now seeing thousands of condos being sold for short-term rentals. It is a rental roulette. It is a Airbnb ahoy, let's say it that way. Short-term rentals and Airbnbs might sound tempting, but they attract flippers, not long-term residents. If the market stumbles, these investors dump their units first, dragging down the whole building value. Trust me, hotel-style condos rarely appreciate. I highly suggest that you stick to traditional condos for real growth. Now, let's talk about higher cost. Higher cost got developers pinching pennies? That's where value engineering comes in, a fancy term for cutting corners. So don't let your dream condo turn into a cost-cutting compromise. Get a good lawyer and add clauses to your contract that hold developers accountable for what they promise. Now let's talk about branded blindside. Not all that glitters is a diamond. And sure, big brands add cachet, like let's say Bentley, Aston Martin, even my favorite, Porsche. But not all translate into a condo nirvana. A car brand doesn't guarantee a top-notch building. Stick to established hospitality brands like, let's say, the Mandarin Oriental or St. Regis. They have a track record for excellence. Newbies on the block? Well, I highly suggest that you proceed with caution. Some have seen resale values nosedive by 50% already. We have seen the good, the bad, and the downright ugly in Miami pre-construction scene. Some projects I love, others I wouldn't touch them, even with the 50-foot shovel. And not just because of the dirt. Don't let the hype fool you. Do your research, ask questions, and find a good realtor who tells it straight. Remember that we are here to help you navigate the murky waters and find your dream property, not a watery nightmare. If you have questions, remember to subscribe to SERDNA Talks and to share all my videos with your friends and family. I have to go. See you soon. Ciao.